So depending on what time zone, Miguel and I woke up at like 3:30. We all packed up and headed out of the warehouse in San Diego. We've been at it since 3 a.m., 3:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It is now almost 10 p.m., 9:30 Central Time. So we've been at it for, that would be 18 hours, 16 hours? I don't even know. Anyway. Well, welcome to San Antonio. First thing we get is Ray letting me know we had a tire repair on the Silverado, the 3500 HD, and apparently it went out again while I was gone. So we rented a truck so we could go swap it out. So let's grab a rental, then let's go to work. We're in C34, so it must be down here. Looks like we're taking that white Dodge. Priority right now is, yeah, we're gonna stop by because Matthias is supposed to be stopping by, and then we'll take the tire off the truck and then we'll drop it off and get some food. Highly drove over some nails, I imagine. All right. The floor is clean. As soon as we just gotta sweep it again, or actually we gotta scrub it with the galvanized, and I put on the non-ionized union. Yeah, the dielectric union, and came 3/4 all the way across. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, so there'll be access. Yeah, of course. The wrap with it's like showers, like all 6 of them cheaper. Okay. And so we move the drain to the center. So then we float it, seal it right here. So like, I have it going all the way across. 3/4, yeah, 100%. That was gonna be the last one I do. Yeah, exactly. Just straight flush to the ground. And so I was told when he came by and passed me that he said I overdid it, and I only need the 3 vents. I don't need all 6. And I think we were just laying it out, you know. So I was going to do the vents behind the showers.
I don't think you overdid it. I think you do it the right way.
Probably. All right, you guys. Guys, thank you so much.
You do?
Yeah.
I'll probably be working on security, watching the cameras.
Yeah. You need a part-time job. All right, bro. We'll see you guys. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna get my fucking tire to the shop real quick. As soon as we got here, Matthias with TMC Plumbing, plumbing did help me do some pre-inspection, walked over a checklist of some like final stuff for my final, for like the plumbing, floating the pans, the shower pans, making sure I've got my warranty information on the water heaters, stub outs, little details with like nail plates and things like that, so we can pass as soon as possible and get all that done so we can close the bathrooms and have the remodel finished and ready to open and be used. And so that's going to be exciting. So that also took place today. Then we busted the tire off the truck with the wheel. Where's that sound coming from? Right? Let's see if we can. This jack should go lower, but. Yeah. Is the parking brake on? Might want to do that. Just press it down, just for safety. There you go, cool. Nice. All right, I'm gonna eat my fucking burrito. One thing after another, here we go.
They just keep on coming.
Yeah, everything just keeps coming. We're trying to maximize our efforts, although we just got here. Got a lot of shit to do.
Do you have any cool stories about that? Like you being different when you were in high school?
I was a fucking weirdo, man. Yeah. I think because I moved around so much that I just was never like, I was always like, I was never part of a group. I was always one click off. Not like forward or back, but just like different than everyone else. And like most people just like, they're like, who is this kid? Like, what is he about? Like I remember people would ask me like, what's that kid do? Like he's all over the place. Like he plays sports, but he break dances. And then he's in band and plays the drums, but then he's like and trying to do punk rock. Like everybody, like they couldn't figure me out. Yeah, I just wanted to do everything. I just wanted to try and like know everything and figure stuff out and see what I liked and what I didn't like. Having the chance to see more of the world and experience more things at a young age, like opened my like consciousness of knowing about more things. to where like the vastness of wanting to have more in my life was very apparent versus like living a very like Shark Tank, small cage, like big fish, small tank fucking life, you know? Don't forget to learn how to work. So when you want to do something, you know how you can actually make it happen. And I think if you travel like the world, like you do things and you try stuff, like try different jobs, try different, you know, career paths, and like learn about as much as you can, you're better off because you're not limiting your mindset. Like, you know, you only know what you're told, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, you should always get out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
You're not gonna learn anything staying at home. Period. You're not gonna learn fucking shit staying at home, except how to grow up to become your parents. No child should die that way. All right, all right, all right. Stupid. Hour and 45? That's not bad. Yay. Fuck. New tires, sweet. The process of doing all this is why I enjoy it so much, as well as I don't stop. Like Miguel mentioned, like I got a flat tire on, like I didn't even know until I was like in the air on the plane with the Wi-Fi, and you know, I'm not gonna cry about it. Like that's just silly. I don't let stuff like that stop me. We jacked it up after a meeting, busted it, took it at a discount, they repaired it, got new tires, whatever it was, and then we came back, blasted it, and we're here. It's 10 o'clock at night. We've already done like 3-4 hours of work here into the night, and yeah, I won't stop ever. I don't know how. It doesn't help me if it's, you know, we're paying the mortgage and all that on a building that's not making money, and then, you know, you guys have to wait longer to experience like how awesome the warehouse can be, and it's going to be. So I just really set myself a lot of personal deadlines and milestones, and I push really hard because of it. A lot of people don't know I left San Diego after some work meetings on the 18th of December, and I spent Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, the day after, as well as New Year's and New Year's Eve here by myself working into the night. You probably saw me doing the plumbing, you probably saw me doing the lights. One of the hardest things, I guess, dealing with is, you know, I have other people that I have to understand that care about me and things like that, and I need to be more present. But you know, this is a huge sacrifice because we're pushing for something, because we're building something. And lucky for me, family, loved ones, and everybody is supportive, and I can't thank you guys enough. I guess when you have a purpose and a direction, of a target, a destination, as well as everything about the journey here is important, because then I can repeat it, rinse and repeat, and every aspect, from buying a piece of wood, a piece of copper, a light, the mirrors, how and where I get them, inventory, sourcing, pricing, quantities, time, lead times, wait times. Everything I do on this process will only make me better at doing it again, and then again, and then again. So, this is extremely makeshift, but essentially, I'm gonna make a template. A round template, like a sleeve, but on a flat plane, so I can draw a vector of slope cutting through the cylinder of it itself. I ideally want to do it like just outside the line, so there's a little bit of play, like a 1/4 inch per radius around the diameter, to give me a bit of wiggle room to draw a slope. Okay. Now, with this, essentially I have a circle cut out of a plane, a flat plane, right? And oversize the diameter of this cylinder. I'm going to insert the cylinder into the plane, and then I'm going to use it to create a slope cut for my miter corners. Maybe people might see value in this or help to understand. I can see stuff before I can see it. So like I can see it there, like visualize it, or, you know, mentally manifest it or whatever. I can see something before I can physically see it. And so as it starts to be created in front of my eyes with my own two hands and come to life exactly how I saw it would, you know, that's pretty powerful, I think. So seeing it before you can see it is what I would say is one of my largest motivators. And there's I don't have doubt in my abilities. Like everything, like, oh, we gotta cut concrete, and all this like hard work, you know what I mean? But you just do it. Like you just dig in, you grit up, you fucking whatever you want to call it, you know, and you just know it's gonna get done. I know I can do it. I have the skill, I know how to do it. I'm pretty fucking good at it. And I can work twice as fast as most anyone that I know. Seeing the end result and knowing what's gonna happen when I open the doors for everyone, knowing what it's gonna look like and how just fucking awesome it's gonna be, gives me that like insane sense of urgency, like the moving with haste and like, oh, I gotta get this open. Like I just have that looming sense of urgency like built in, if that makes sense. So yeah, it keeps me from wanting to stop. I don't even think about it. I really appreciate all you guys. It does help a lot knowing everybody, you know, it matters to people. So it matters to me, and it's really nice. And it's like I feel less alone being alone, you know, because you know, it's like you kind of have like a crowd cheering you on. That helps a lot. Okay, so as you can see, we went ahead and this was like sticking up. The guys that fit up that shitty pipe before was crazy. So I cut it down so we could put our sleeve into it and over for the exhaust of this hood. And as you can see, this is a 24-inch level. There's not a lot of room up here for my body, so we're having fun. Appreciate you guys. So if you can, please like and subscribe this. It really helps out the channel. It helps us to be able to pay and afford Miguel new gear and like, you know, hire and stuff like that so we can do more stuff as well as build more gyms and get better equipment, build more war machines. Everything helps. Can't thank you enough. The messages I get today, inspiring messages, you know, from like James over at Gym Bro Fitness, like all the members and friends and everybody, you know, gosh, like I can't thank you guys enough. And so please, like, yeah, if you enjoy it, support it and like let me know, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Don't be scared to ask the question. I'm super busy, but I try to make time to get back to everyone the best I can. So all right, y'all, we're gonna call it a night till early in the morning. We've got more equipment showing up from CTX Home Gyms. They're up in Austin. Their guys are awesome. Dylan's badass. Again, I'll put the link here. They've helped us really great with some awesome equipment from other gyms that were like, you know, just shutting down. So some brand new stuff, like really good stuff, some unique things that I've been looking for that I want. So like, I love it. They've been really good about it. Their service so far has been fantastic. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna see them tomorrow. We're putting the rest of the mirrors up as well, getting this floor cleaned and getting it ready for you, all right? So please like and subscribe, say what's up, and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm doing in here. It's gonna be fucking crazy. So have a wonderful night, and I'll see you tomorrow.